Everyone, Plus2 here. We are doing Scholarship Calculus 2024, question 2 today, question 2a. For any two functions f and g defined on an interval x in between a and b, the max value function is defined as this. So what it means is a higher y value wins. Yeah, so it takes all. To demonstrate an example is shown opposite. The max value function can be applied to more than two functions in a similar manner. So consider the function h of x is max days on the interval 0 to 3. Evaluate the definite integral 0 to 3 h of x dx. So we have to find the intersection point and find which one is winner, which one is higher y value has. So obviously we have to sketch these three functions, right? So we know that 2x is like this, right? It's y and x. I know that 2 square root of x and 2x meets at 1, right? Because 2 equals 2, right? Is 2. So I'm going to change the color. Say that is 2 square root of x. Yeah, so that's the intersection point when x is 1. We know that, we should know that. And then finally, x cubed would look like, so which would be winner? So we have to compare 2x and x squared, right? So x squared equals 2x. So x minus 2 equals 0. So that means when x is 2, there is an intersection with, 2x. So it goes like this, I believe. Yeah. So if you have a graphics calculator, you can check on your graphics calculator as well. So we have the interval 0 to 1, 1 to 3, and 2 to 3. So you have to separate this integral 3 parts and find each answer, and you add them up, right? So I think I drew this earlier on decimals. I think it's easier to see that. So you see, 0 to 1, the winner is 2 square root of x, y equals 2 square root of x, and 1 to 2 is y equals 2x, and then finally 2 to 3 is x squared, right? So if I rewrite this, going back to blue. So that function equals 0 to 1 is 2 square root of x dx, right? Plus 1 to 2 is the linear graph 2x, and finally 2 to 3 is the parabola 1. So we can use graphics calculator to calculate this, right? Well, if you want to, you can simply change to this way, isn't it? So 2 square root of x means 2x to the power of half. So what happens? 2x to the power of 3 over 2. So 3, and that becomes a 4, right? That's 0 to 1. I'm gonna change this 4. Yeah. And then plus 2x becomes what? X squared, isn't it? Because 2x squared over 2. So x squared, 1 to 2. And finally, this is x cubed over 3, 2 to 3. Well, you can plug those numbers in and do it manually, but also you can use a calculator. I'll show you how to use calculator in case you didn't know. I think I'd better just use my own. Let me check. So I go options, calculus. So I go. The first one is 2 square root of x, comma. I go 0, 1. That's the first part. And second part is 2x, right? So integral 2x. That's in between 1 to 2. Plus the final part is integral x squared. That's a 2 to 3. Let me double check. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Yep. Calculator still thinking. Right. What's the answer? 10.6667. This seems like a 10 and 2/3, but I'm gonna just write it as a decimal. 10.67 should be the answer. All right, that was an easy question. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.